Yoruba Kids Adventure. And this episode, it's Family Edition. Okay, this is my mama. And here's your baba, which is your dad. Your younger sibling is called your aburo, and your elder sibling is called your agba. Your iya agba is your grandmom, and your baba agba is granddad. I call my friends Ore. Okay, let's try this one. What do you call your dad? Yes, your baba. Your older sibling? Yes, your agba. Your family is special. Give your family a giant hug. Until next time, friends, remember to share, like, and subscribe. Bye. Hola.